in real life. It looks like this. You don't quit your job and then start posting on Substack or LinkedIn. You build that voice before you need it to pay you. You don't resign and then reach out to your network. You start the conversations while you still have the title because in all honesty, people return calls faster when you're employed. You don't walk away and then figure out what business you want to build. You test it, refine it, maybe even sell it before you turn in your resignation. And for those of you ready to retire, before you retire, the ideal here is build the bridge before you cross it. Someone in the virtual planning in our session last week, they said, the first time around, I took the emotional route. I was in my feelings and I felt that. 10 years ago, I was in that exact same place, my first corporate layoff. Because, most of us have made at least one career move from emotion instead of clarity. Here's the number one sign that your transition plan is built on urgency instead of strategy. You're focused on leaving, not what you're building toward. You know the day you want to quit, but you don't know what the business is or what you actually be getting paid to do.